Hey everyone, okay, I'm going to show you a really fun look for summer. It's Enchanted Gold, but I have makeup on, so I'm going to show you how I remove my makeup without removing all my makeup, because this look is very soft for summer, but it gives you a golden look. So I'm going to use our oil-free eye makeup remover, and you know it's #1 in the world over all other brands. Mary Kay has an order for oil-free eye makeup remover every 5 seconds. Someone in the world is purchasing one. It is that good, and I'm going to show you how good it is. So I've got my little round dampened.
And we're going to remove the eye makeup and try to keep my eyebrows on. I did pretty well, but I do touch them up later in the video. Okay, I'm going to take the micellar water to remove any residue, make sure the eye area is free of all makeup and oils so that the eyeshadow will stay on well. And this is a great product if you need something for double cleansing, or if you are in a situation where you have no water and you need to cleanse your face. It works really well. Pat it dry to make sure there's no residue or wetness. Just tap a small amount of eye cream just to make sure that you have moisture going on there. Now, foundation. I love this foundation. I need a new one. I love it so much. So I'm using medium 6, and I'm using this on my eyelids, around my eyes where I've removed eye makeup. And it really does help keep your eyeshadow in place if you put a little foundation on. I'm just going to blend that out. So it's just in the center of the face, because I do have makeup on the other areas, but I just want to kind of brighten up the center. And I do this often if I'm going from one look to another, or from Pilates to something else I'm doing. I do not remove all my makeup. So this is a really good way to do that without having to start over. So blend in with some translucent powder to make sure that it's all seamless. And our translucent powder is a fabulous product. If you haven't tried it, get it. You're going to fall in love with it. And then I'm going to touch up my brows just to make sure that they look precise. I do use the dark blonde in both products, the tint and the pencil. And just kind of covering any gray hairs or ones that need to lay down. Now we're going to take the eyeshadow, and this is Shiny Penny, and we're going to use the Oliver brush to blend it up, just up to the crease, and blend well. And sometimes you have to go back and just make sure, oh, I need a little touch there. So that's what I'm doing with the Shiny Penny, just making sure it's even. Now we're going to take Cinnabar with the crease brush, and we're going to lay that in the crease, and making sure that on your outer corner you connect it down to the lid. And we're going to blend that with a blender brush. One of the things that I have found when you're wearing Cinnabar and you have blue eyes, it really pops. And with the gold Shiny Penny, woo, your eyes are going to be really popping, girls. Blend it with the blender brush, making sure that the colors just fade in and out so you can't see where anything stops and starts. And that just gives a really beautiful look to the eye. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the gold status with a very small brush, because you want to keep this very tight on the inner corner of the eye. And if you get a little too much on, don't worry, because your under eye corrector will fix anything that maybe isn't blended well. And this is the liquid eyeliner pen. This, I do believe, gives such a great wing to the outer corner. It is waterproof. Once it's set, it's not coming off. And I love that for summer. I mean, don't we need something that's going to stay in place? This is the go-to. We only have it in black, and it's a very intense matte black, so it looks great on, and it's easy to use. It's like a felt tip marker. It's a really great product. Okay, so now we're going to take the eyeliner pencil. This is also waterproof, and we're going to do the waterline. Really pops the eye and gives it a little bit more dramatic effect. And against the gold eyeshadow, ooh, it's pretty. Under eye corrector to the rescue. Any extra fallout from any eyeshadow. If the gold status is a little heavy, you can blend it in. And this product does come in a different container now, so using the brush is essential. I think when you use your fingers, you're pulling tug too much, so do the brush. It really will brighten around the eye areas. I use it to edge out my eyebrows and just clean everything up. My favorite mascara, Intensity Mascara. Love, 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 love it. It is such a great mascara. Now, I will tell you that I don't use it on the bottom because the brush is so fat and luscious. I have a tendency to not do well on the bottom. So you'll see that I finish with the black brown in the Ultimate Mascara. I hit the corners, of course the bottom, and it gives a nice effect because it gives you the length, and the black brown will actually give you a minking look to your eyelashes. So give it a try if you haven't tried this mascara for your bottom lashes. It's beautiful. Really gives a great effect, and my lashes look so long when I do this minking. Really good. Now this little tool, it is not a Mary Kay product. I did get it on Amazon. I will post the link, but it helps to just get it in the roots of the lashes. It helps to separate your lashes and give a little lift. I always clean it off after because I don't want it cakey, and that mascara brush is fabulous. Okay, so we're going to contour a little bit because I did, remove it away from my area that I usually have it on. So keep it higher on your cheeks, a little bit on the forehead, sides of the nose, just to add a nice contouring shape to your face. I'm bringing it in a little bit more in the center because I'm going to be doing a bronzing effect. Now this is a highlighter in glazed. I do the center of my nose, the peaks of the cheeks, the Cupid's bow. Now we're going to bronze it up with the medium golden glow color. This is illuminating, so it does add some sheen to your skin. So make sure you're blending well. I always like to finish with translucent powder in case it's a little heavy in an area I don't want it. This is kind of like a soft focus for your face. Now I'm adding just a little bit of a flesh tone, high on the cheekbone, with the Kind Spirit limited edition cheek stick. This blush stick is so easy to use. We've done it with eyeshadow. We put it as a lipstick. It's a great little product, and they are limited, so grab them. And $1 goes to the Mary Kay Charitable Foundation when you purchase that. Okay, so lining the lips, we're going to do a nude lip. So this is Beige Nude Waterproof Lip Liner. Filling it in and going slightly on the outside of my bottom lip because it's not as full as my top. And then I'm rounding the Cupid's bow just to give it a fuller look. Really pretty. Beige Nude is great for nude color. So if you haven't tried Beige Nude, it looks really good, especially with this subdued nude lipstick. Now we're going to finish it with some Beach Bronze to give a little bit more of a golden glow because that's this look. I just love it. Came together so pretty. So let me know if you have any questions, and I will link the website so you can purchase things. And some of these are limited edition, gang, so grab them while you can. Finishing my look with a little bronzer on my body so the colors all are seamless, face, neck, and chest. Happy summer.